Yeah! Saving Silverman, what's up? With part 2 of the duck stamps first fitting. In case you missed it yesterday, I tossed in most of part 1, but at 10 speed to catch you up. Today's video is all about reacting on the fly to make something work in the end. Being able to problem solve and work through issues were two skills I did not expect to have to deal with so heavily at the start of my stained glass journey. But I'm low-key thankful for it. These two skills can help you out in so many different facets of life, so to be able to hone my skills of problem solving and thinking on the fly in a low-stress environment is pretty cool. Yes, I say low stress very loosely. What's the problem of the day, Grizzly? Great question. Remember this little ditty I said on the 9th? Well, this is awkward. Did I jinx myself? You decide. The problem is the vinyl didn't properly align when it was applied, so we need to cut out a piece again. For S&Gs, I'm going to try my hand at the old school method of just cutting glass over the pattern, like I've seen professional artists cut in their videos. Will it work? Maybe. This is my first time doing it, especially with a long and funky shape. Thankfully, this is my 4th time cutting out this shape, so I'm pretty comfortable with the glass. The trick is gently but slowly increasing pressure in the pliers. Think of it like turning a dial one click at a time, holding it, then turning the dial one more click. Let's go! This ain't no 1 to 5 dial I'm talking about. This is a 1 to 20 dial. Start at a 4, hold, go to 5, hold, go to 6, hold. You get it. It sounds silly, but that's how I mentally visualize my actions while I'm doing it. It helps me do it in real life. And it helps me get the glass to break along the score enough to stop at the end without having excess pressure and splintering into a bad break. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the follow button as we're officially done with the first fitting. Tomorrow, we start a combination of foiling and painting details onto the stained glass pieces. Side note, I'm also accepting volunteers for helping me foil. No? No one? Well, it was worth a try.